Hi, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Balakrishna. So, in this video, I am going to explain class 9, chapter 8, quadrilateral, example 5. So, before go to video, please subscribe our YouTube channel and give the like and comment. Okay, so here, example 5. So that the bisectors of angles of a parallelogram is a form a rectangle. సో క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే పారాగ్రామ్లో యాంగిల్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా ఆ యాంగిల్స్ బైసెక్టర్ చేస్తే ఓకే ఆ ఫామ్ షేప్ ఏం కావాలంటే రెక్టాంగిల్. సో హియర్ యాంగిల్ ఏ ఇస్ ఎ బైసెక్టర్, యాంగిల్ బి ఇస్ బైసెక్టర్, యాంగిల్ సి ఇస్ బైసెక్టర్, యాంగిల్ డి ఇస్ ఎ బైసెక్టర్. Bisector means what? Dividing into two equal parts. So this angle A is dividing one parts, two equal parts. Angle B is dividing one parts, two parts. Angle C is dividing into two parts. Angle D is dividing into two parts. Okay. So here AP is a bisector of angle A. BP is a bisector of angle B. Next CR is a bisector of angle C. Okay. DR is a bisector of angle C. Now angle D. Okay. So here let us take A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. So in this parallelogram here AP is a bisector of angle A. Next BP, CR, DR are bisectors of angle B, angle C and angle D respectively. Bisector means divided into two equal parts. So that is at angle A it is divided into two equal parts. So that is a angle PAB is equal to angle PAD. PAP is a bisector of angle A. Then angle PAB is equal to angle PAD is equal to angle DAB by 2. DAB by 2. Next angle D. DR is a bisector of angle D. That is a angle CDR is equal to angle ADAR. Angle DAR is equal to angle ADC by 2. Angle ADC by 2. So here it is divided to come to left side and multiple. Okay, here angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Why? Because sum of adjacent angles, sum of two adjacent angles in a parallelogram, adjacent angles in a parallelogram is 180. So that is a angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. So here in the place of angle A we can take as 2 times of angle SAD plus angle D. In the place of angle D I can take as 2 times of angle SDA is equal to 180. So in this triangle DAS triangle, so this angle is divided into two equal parts, this angle is divided into two equal parts. So here I can take as in this triangle DAS triangle, so this angle is half of angle A, this angle is half of angle D. So here 2 here multiple. So 2 of angle SAD plus angle SDA is equal to 180. So 2 multiple, where is divide. So that is a angle SAD plus angle SDA is equal 180 by 2. 2 1 ja 2, 90 ja. So angle SCAT plus angle SGA is equal how much? 90 degrees. So these two angles sum is how much? 90 degrees. So in triangle SDA, sum of angles is how much? 180 degrees. That is equal angle SCAD plus angle SDA plus angle DSA is equal to how much? 180 degrees. So these two angles sum is how much? 90. 90 plus angle DSA is equal to 180 plus 90 is going to minus. So 180 minus 90, angle DSA is equal to how much? 90 degrees. So this angle is how much? 90 degrees. So opposite angles are equal. Any two lines are intersect. Here AP and DR are meet at S. Then angle DSA is equal angle PSR is equal how much? 90 degrees. So here angle is how much? 90 degrees. Similarly angle P is equal 90 and Q is equal 90 and D and R is equal 90 degrees. Angle P is equal 90 and Q is equal 90 and R is equal 90. So therefore PQRS is a rectangle. Therefore hence prove. So here these two angles how much? 90 degrees. Similarly in triangle APB, in this APB, this angle is half of angle A, this angle is half of angle B. So these two angles are adjacent angle, these two angles sum is same like that. So these two angles sum is 90. What about this angle? 90. Same here in this BQC. In this BQC also, these two angles sum is 90. Then this angle sum is 90 degrees. So here 90 means here also 90. Same DRC triangle also here. These two angles sum is 90. This angle is 90. So in PQRS, angle P is 90, angle Q is 90, angle R is equal to 90, angle S is also 90. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe our YouTube channel and share to your friends. Thank you.